subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei sub-brand Honor has launched its new affordable smartphone in China called Honor Play 4T along with its Pro variant. Talking about the specifications, the Honor Play 4T supports a 6.39-inch HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 710A chipset paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. The device packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Honor Play 4T features dual camera setup on the rear in a squarish module including LED flash. The dual rear cameras includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, there is 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on company's Magic UI 3.1 skin on top. The smartphone comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging support. Additionally, the phone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.81 by 76.13 by 8.13mm and it weighs around 176 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor Play 4T has been priced in China at 1199 Chinese yuan. And it will go on sale starting from April 21st in the country in black and green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 4T smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.